FEATH-R-LITE Inflatable Paddleboard has been great. It's the paddle that it came with, so everything breaks down into a really good size, and also it goes to a great length because I'm taller, so I need a paddle that's a lot longer. It has the cable on here to be able to hold gear. If you want to hold gear on here, it has a great carrying handle. The inflation pump on there is really easy. And then it also comes with the leash, which is important because in case you fall off your paddleboard, you want to make sure that your paddleboard stays in place. It has 3 skags on the bottom for stability. And they come off real easily. You just push this tab, push it off, they push right off, but it is a really easy way to apply them and take them off as well. The leash is really well made, has a really good Velcro grasp on it, and the neoprene padding so that it doesn't rub on your body. Put that off there. So make sure when you're jumping on a paddleboard that you're not jumping on it with these skags, potentially digging into the sand, because that's a great way to be able to break them off. So we'll go through, we'll get in here in the water. And then I'll say, see you later. So this is the bag that comes with the paddleboard. It fits everything inside there. It's a nice big bag, but also has carrying straps on it so that it goes over your shoulders for easy carrying. Inside you have the pump. You would also store the paddle and the skags in there and the leash if you wanted to take that off, but it's really great. Everything can just store inside there. Oh, another great thing that came with it is this waterproof case, so that if you wanted to take your phone with you, you could have this around your neck or other items that you don't want to get wet, and you can put them inside this waterproof case. So that's a really nice thing that it came with, and a bonus.